Morning all, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday morning, 23rd September something I think. So not a bad day. Supposed to get a bit of sun, a little bit on the cooler side, only about 12 degrees or so. So fall is definitely here now. So I was just down this morning, a lot of moose tracks over there, but a pond, and a lot going up and down my driveway there. So I may check my camera a little later today, tomorrow, see if I got any more. Well, I have it set to video this time, so hopefully get a few videos maybe. I did see a moose, may very well have been the same one I got on camera last week when I was going to work. Thursday morning, just probably about a minute from here out the road. May have seen two. I think I might have gotten a glimpse of another one just outside of the range of my headlight, but not 100% sure. But yeah, definitely did see one, big one. Anyways, today I'm going to wire in my Lightbar. I already have it mounted. I mounted it as I was at the same time I was putting the fuse box in, or fuse panel in. So this is a 25.5 inch, I think it is, single line. I wanted to go with the low profile Lightbar instead of the double and triple stacked ones. I prefer the slimmer ones, so went with that. No idea yet how bright it actually is. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see about that. So anyways, the first thing, go back here I guess. So this is the length of wire. Now when I bought this, there was a connector on here. So I cut the connector off, and here I have some wire. Unfortunately I wasn't able to get black. It's gray, but it's no big deal. So I've already stripped the ends, and I'm going to be using these, just give me one sec. I'm going to be using these solderless connectors rather than just soldering. See how well they work, I guess. But yeah, so I just need to go and, oops, sorry, my finger was on the button there. So yeah, just need to go and get the ends of the wire on the bar here. I just need to get this stripped off. So be right back when I have that done. Okay guys, so I got the wire ran out. Just goes basically through there, up through there. Just use the old wire clothes hanger to feed the hanger through and then pull the wire through. So just got to hook that into that box, and I've just got these ends stripped to, to go into these ends. I have the solderless connectors already put on. So these are, well, I guess they're solderless. That's a piece of solder in the middle. So you put the wire in one end, put the other wire in the other end, and it acts like heat shrink. You put the heat to it, melts the solder in the middle, and then shrinks it all down tight. I've only used them once before, so we'll see how it works. So be right back just a sec. Okay guys, so see there, I got the wire going into the box here. I got it on the first switch, and now I just need to get this wire on here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to connect it right now. I don't have a piece of shrink tube big enough to go over this. So even though these kind of act like shrink tube, I'd rather have actual shrink tube between these connections. So yeah, I'll have to buy some larger shrink tube for this before I can make this connection. So be right back. Okay guys, back next day. So I got a couple of different sizes of heat shrink. So I'll just slip this on over here and oops, go ahead and make this connection. And yeah, be right back. Okay, so a few days later, Saturday, beautiful day here, really warm, no wind. So I ended up getting these butt connectors here, these crimping ones, instead of the solderless or soldering connectors. Yeah, so I decided to give these a try. Probably a bit simpler to use. So I'll just go ahead now and connect these wires and be right back. Okay guys, so got it all hooked up. Got the wire tied to the roll bar. Should have. Yeah, everything's straightened away in here. So should we get in, turn the key, and see if it works. Okay, so of course the Auxbeam comes with a set of stickers, but or set of labels, I should say, but very easy to make your own. You can see that's I guess you could say a custom one that I made there. So let's just see how this light's going to work. Yep, so all good. Alright, so another addition to the side-by-side. I think the next thing will be the LED mirrors. If you watched my videos, you know a while back I busted this mirror. But I was always planning to replace these mirrors with the LED mirrors anyways, so no big deal. So yeah, that'll probably be the next thing. Will be those mirrors. The only other things that I want to do, I'd like to put an amber light bar on the front. And I'd like to put probably cubes or something in the back. You know, when you're out at night, you're backing up stuff like this. So I'd like to put a set of cubes out here in the back. Not sure where I'm going to mount those yet, but yeah, that's about it for now. So as always, I hope this helps somebody out if anybody's watching, and as always, thanks for watching, and hope you stay tuned for future videos.